Yusha, now you're growing up, okay? I really love this math, okay? This is so beautiful. You need this when you grow up further. Now we're going to do multiply, but now this will be a bit more confusing, okay? So for example, if we just say 3, now if you put a bracket and if you put x plus 5. So right, what are you going to do if you see something similar to that? What it actually means, it means you need to multiply, very simple stuff. You need to multiply, but you need to pay attention to two things. Number one, see there is a plus sign here and there is a plus sign here too. That's very important, okay? These are hidden plus sign until there's a minus sign there. So what you have to do, you have to multiply this one with this one and this one with this one, okay? So very simple. So what you have to do, so this is 3 times x is 3x, okay, and this will be plus over here because both of them are plus, right? You don't have to write them over there. Now is 3 times 5 is 15, and plus 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 is plus. So that means if both of them have plus, the end result will be plus 2. Remember, okay? If both of them, if one is plus and one is minus, the result will be minus. Remember this thing, okay? But if both of them are minus, then the end result will be plus. Are you confused? Might be confusing for you, but okay. So now remember, if plus and plus, both numbers are plus. So for example, let's say 5 and 3, both of them are plus, and you have to do multiply, so it will be plus 15. Just to give you don't have to write down plus here, but I'm just giving an idea, okay? So that's 15. If it's plus 5 and minus 3, the end result will be, this will be 15, but over here it will be minus 15. If this is minus 5 and minus 3, this should be plus 15. Okay, so minus, plus, minus, and minus, if you do multiply, that should be a plus. Okay, right, so now let's have a look. If we do now, let's say 4x plus 5. How are we going to do it? So it's 4x plus 20. Very simple. If this is 4 minus x and minus 3, what are we going to do? That's minus 4x. Why? Because this is a plus, plus and minus is a minus. Okay, and there's a plus, plus and minus is a minus 2. So that's minus 12. Now, what are we going to do if we say minus 4, minus x, and minus 3? This should be 4x initially, that's correct. But look, minus and minus, this should be plus. Okay, the plus initially you don't have to write them if at the front end. Now 4 times 3 is 12, and minus, that's plus. Got it? Superb. So now let's have a look. So if I do x, it can be 4 plus 3. For an example, okay? But normally actually if that's the case, you have to do 7, then 7x or x7. Okay, that's not actually a good example. It should be 7x. Actually it should be less. So okay, instead of doing that, I'll just do 7 3 plus x plus y. What am I going to do? This 21 plus 7x plus 7y. Got it? Now, what about if I do something harder? So if we do something like x5 plus, sorry, no, I don't know why I'm getting this wrong. 4 plus x minus 2, 3 plus x. This is the first time. This is a big people math, Isha. Only big people can know what to do. Don't be worried. 5 times 4 is 20. That's a plus 20. 5 times x is 5x, but there'll be a plus sign here. 2 times 3 is minus 6. Minus 2 times plus x is minus 2x. So then you can do 5x minus 2x. That's a 3x here. And 20 minus 6 is 14. That's the answer. Get it? These are big people math, okay? So learn from it. Pause. No, don't watch all the video together. So what do you do normally? You'll just, for example, you'll be watching this, then pause, then do some math, understand this bit, pause, then do this. Maybe do similar kind of math, just to make sure that you understand, okay?